Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Gaming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to transfer your Quick Hit Slot account from your old phone to your new phone. So for that, first open the application from your old phone. Now after you open this application, you can see this login option. To transfer your account, you have to log in with either of this option. You can log in with your Facebook account, or you can also log in with your Apple ID account. Now if you click on this continue as guest, then you will not be able to transfer your account into your new phone. So make sure that you log in from either of these two options here. Here I'm choosing Facebook account. Now after you log in, simply open this Quick Hit Slot application on your new phone. And here, after your download is completed in your new phone, if you open this app, you can see the login options. Now click on this Facebook account again and make sure to log in from the same account that you used to log in on your old phone. Now after your login process is completed, you have successfully transferred your account from your old phone to new phone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.